Hello, Adele here, owner of Clothes Exchange with your FYI video for February 2017. Please click subscribe here on the YouTube page if you'd like to be notified each month when the FYI video is published. So here's what we're taking in our receiving center for the month of February for consigners with unrestricted accounts. We are taking all season odds and ends. Toys and baby accessories are unlimited. Please bring up to 6 pair of your best shoes, but no women's heels. You may bring up to 2 purses or 2 belts per drop-off. Please no jewelry or books at this time. All items must be clean with no missing parts and just like new. No electronics or small appliances. There is no limit on any season of clothing for children, teen boys, and maternity. You may bring an unlimited amount of in-style jeans for any shape and size. Ladies and junior clothing is limited to 1 laundry basket or 1 bag the size of a 13-gallon kitchen bag of any season of clothing. We are accepting dresses and skirts at this time. In addition, you can bring 1 basket of any season clothing for men. Consigners may drop off 1 basket per week regardless of multiple accounts. Please be aware at times that we do have to start receiving certain items due to our space restrictions. In our discount corner, we are full and all inventory is $1 per item. Please be sure to stop by and take a look at these amazing bargains. Visit our website at www.clothesexchange.com to sign up for our mobile messaging membership to receive exclusive monthly coupons and notice of all our store-wide sales. Thank you so much for watching, and we really appreciate your business. Have a great day. Bye-bye.